Yes, good morning to all.
Good morning, sir.
Audio video is clear. You can text there ACVC. Clear.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Good. I want that enthusiasm from you. It's my simple expectation. Be interactive, be honest, be regular, and whatever you feel the answer, yeah, that may be correct or wrong. Don't worry about that. Your answer is important for me, and more correctly is important for you for your development. It's a good ride from Sawantwadi to Mumbai. Whoever interested students are there, want to study the unit number 2 of inorganic chemistry as per the syllabus of University of Mumbai are here. It's excellent. Nice to meet you all. I'll be very happy to know everybody individually, but time is constraint for us. I want to know you by your work. I want to know you by your efforts. I want to know you by your answers. I want to know you by completion of assignments. And Google has given a good platform. Whatever the assignments I give to you, yes, please. I request you do not present because I am presenting here. So other students, okay, chances are there because first time you are using, so you will click the other thing. See, if you click that present now, no, then your screen of presentation will come. For example, Narayan Joshi is there. Narayan Joshi, if he starts present now, then his mobile will start presenting. Whatever is on his mobile screen will be viewed by all. So I suggest you please do not do. In case mistakenly happens, do not worry about that. It happens. We have to find a way out. We have to find the solution. Yes. So shall we begin?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, only one answer. See, replies are necessary. See, two
Yes,
things are
sir.
there. You
Yes, sir.
can
Yes,
reply
sir.
by yes, good.
Yes, sir.
You can reply
Yes, sir.
through text box or unmute
Yes, sir.
Yes,
yourself
sir.
and talk. Excellent. Very
Yes,
fine.
sir.
Very fine. Yes. So today's modus of operandi will be I'll give few instructions. I'll give few information. I will tell you need of the study of this topic.
Yes, sir.
I will tell you the guidance. I will give you the way to study this topic. That's a path we will decide. And who has to cover that path? Who has to work? You have to work. I'm here to only to give the guidance. I'll give the study material for you. Informations will be given to. Excellent. I'm happy to know you all. Everybody is replying. Very good. So let me cover the things. After all, sufficient time will be given for you to answer your queries. Okay. So I'm very happy to know you that you are very excited to see. Okay. Let me know whether the presentation screen PPT is readable to you. Can you see the PPT? My presentation. Please unmute and talk so that I'll come to know because previous also yes replies are there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Okay. See, I wanted to cover the syllabus. Okay. The issue is that the other window, if I open, no, the students are how to admit. Okay. Fine. Let us do that this time. Today means 9 January to 23rd February. It's a course of almost 45 days, 1.5 months. There, I'll conduct 4 live sessions. One among them is today. Further 3 live sessions, and in case if needed, we will conduct further live sessions also. No need to take burden of that. See, meanwhile, what is happening? Students are putting requests, no, so I have to admit them, so I have to come repeatedly again to that the window. Some interruption may not possible, bear with it. Okay, so molecular symmetry and group 3 are important topic that we are going to study. Let me tell you the basis for my teaching of this topic, or how I began to teach this topic. My friend Dr. Sham Sate from Dapoli, means in 2008, means at that time India College MSc was there, suggested me that prepare one topic, that so that students will get a benefit. And being an academician, I was also very happy to explore for the students. And I just asked him, uh, which topic? Please unmute your mic. When you are going to talk at that time only, please. Sorry, please mute the mic now. When you want to talk, then only unmute. Then Dr. Sham Sate said that molecular symmetry and group theory concepts are not clear to students. At that time at TY level also that topic was not there. At least now at TY level for few universities it is inculcated. So they know little basic, but MSc level studies advanced than that. So many times means students keep this topic for the option. So it was a challenge for me, and as a challenge, I accepted this topic to teach. And from 2008, I'm working with this topic. And as per the Bloom's triangle, memorization is the first method of the learning, memorization, remembering, and then practicability, application. Teaching is a one kind of application, and by teaching, I'm improving the learning of this. Still, I'm a student of this topic, molecular symmetry and group theory. It's a fabulous, very important topic. So, story started with the Dr. Sham Sate from the Dapoli. Afterwards, Gore sir from Ratnagiri, Balwan madam from Devgad, Patil sir from the Nagotne, Sakpal sir from the Devruk, all they have encouraged me. Even my college HODs, Peter Rodriguez, he also encouraged, and I'm dealing with this topic for many years. Because of our principal permission and that the principal support, that's Google Classroom is available, large number of students I could able to admit because of the Google Classroom of our college. So I'm very grateful to those. Because of that I could interact with you, and I'm beginning this session. And after all, my colleagues support and my students always do supports. Now many of you are, whatever who are there are my students now. Many are my well-wishers. Because of them, whoever am I is. Okay, the topic is very important. I said, what's the importance of this topic? Basically, in spectroscopy, this topic is playing a very, very vital role. But at your syllabus, at MSc Part 1 level, detailed study of spectroscopy is not there. But base of spectroscopy, if you ask me what it is, then I'll say molecular symmetry is a base. Because if you know the molecular symmetry, if you know the symmetry operations, if you know the character table, if you know the behavior of various orbitals, if you know the translatory functions, rotatory functions, then the microwave spectra, IR spectra, Raman spectra, those you can want to explain. So that's the importance. But what you are going to study this year, physical properties like dipole moment. What is that dipole moment, and how can molecular symmetry knowledge will help us to explain or describe the physical properties? That's a dipole moment. So restriction of the symmetries for the dipole moment, that topic is included in syllabus. Even optical activity is a physical phenomenon, but I mentioned it separately because biochemists, biologists, they are using this concept to a lot extent, and the knowledge of molecular symmetry is important to understand the optical activity, and that is a part of your syllabus we are going to study. Optical activity is after all the stereo arrangement, and if stereo arrangement changes, the activity will change. Activity changes, reactivity changes. So reactivity of molecule we can explain. That's a stereochemical reactions by means of this molecular symmetry knowledge. And after all, group theory, it's a mathematical application to the molecular symmetry. Will certainly help us to describe all those and to synthesize the various molecules. If reactions are affected, if stereochemistry is affected, then synthesis also will get affected. And therefore, to understand the synthesis, we need to study this molecular symmetry. And this year, in detail, you are going to study. Actually, last year you might have come across MO diagram for water molecule, BH2, a linear molecule you have studied. From that, angular water molecule you started to study. There are various molecular orbitals, and there those molecular orbitals you might have by-hearted, means two orbitals are combining, two molecular orbitals bonding, anti-bonding, but you are finding three orbitals are there sometimes combining, how the dotted lines are there, how those bonding and anti-bonding orbitals have arisen. A proper explanation you may be not with, but this time you are going to get a perfect explanation for the molecular orbitals. LCAO, linear combination of atomic orbitals, thus that we could describe by means of the knowledge of molecular symmetry. It is for the theoretical description of various chemicals is important. By the way, because of its importance, this topic is important from your exam point of view. Let you consider University of Mumbai examination, or let you consider NET examination, GATE examination, SET examination, or GS examination. Being it is a fundamental of the or the supportive topic to the spectroscopy, questions are sure, questions are mandatory. But this topic needs some kind of understanding. And as a teacher, it's my responsibility to make the concept clear to you. Only you have to follow few things, few instructions. So students, I am with these four objectives about this topic. I want that whoever are regular should score at least 75% in this topic. In the Mumbai University question paper, if you see the last year's question papers or previous year question paper, this topic weightage is for 18 marks out of 60. So considerable weightage is there. So actually 1 unit, whatever the weightage remains, that is there. And whatever 18 marks are there, you can score 18 out of 18. I'm sure about that. But by any means, if you perfectness 100%, if not possible, then at least 75, certainly you could able to. That's my responsibility if you follow the proper instruction. It is my first objective, students. And at last, means on 23rd of February, I'm going to ask you, is my objective going to fulfill? Are you sure about the accomplishment of that, the accomplishment of the objective that I'm going to ask you? So it is my performance that you are going to evaluate on the 23rd of February. Second, the concept whichever are there in the molecular symmetry should be clear so that you can apply. And see, learning is a very interesting process. If you know the things, that you go on applying the things, no, then interest arises, interest develops, and confidence builds. I want you make you apply this concept. So understanding should be the very clear, and that is my skill to make the concept clear to you by the offline and these live sessions. I'll try my level best to make the concepts clear. And by any means, anywhere you feel that it is not clear, you are free to ask, and you should ask. And third thing, suppose if interest is developed, no, then later applications are there, spectroscopy. On that also questions do come in the NET examination that you can study. Base I'll prepare now. So it is my third objective. And fourth objective, you should score good in this competitive examinations also with confidence. That's the last word is very important. Confidence should be there to attend for this. Fear should not be there, always. Confidence only for saying purpose, no. In reality point of view, it should be there. And if you are practicable, then certainly it will be. There is no need of showing. Automatically it will come. So it is my responsibility. With these four objectives, I want to begin the session. The syllabus, roughly, fastly I go. Actually, in the PDF file, if you have went through, I have given the syllabus, but the scope of the syllabus, shortly I explained to you, because in detail we are discussing. Syllabus starts with the application of molecular symmetry knowledge to describe the physical properties like optical activity. Organic chemists do study the terms, but in molecular symmetry, perfect terms we are going to study. For example, C1 as a point group. Okay, it is right. In that C1 as an operation, but actually it is not. Identity should be there. So few things are there. Or object and mirror image, non-superimposability, chirality, what exactly means till now, center of symmetry or plane of symmetry, about which only our approach remains adhered. We are talking about improper axis of rotation. That's a very important point. What exactly it is that we are going to study in the optical activity. Second point is dipole moment. What is that dipole moment and how can we describe the dipole moment? Whether dipole moment is possible or not, and in case if possible, in which direction may be it possible. that guess we can get about the dipole moment, because dipole moment is an important point for the reactivity while preparation of the solutions. So the second application of this molecular symmetry study. And the third point, the systematic procedure
Sir,
for the symmetry. Yes,
your PPT is not shared.
PPT is not shared. Yes,
Yes,
just a
sir.
minute. Okay, actually I am sharing PPT. I thought that you're okay. Thank you very much. Whoever have answered no, I'm thankful to you. Let me see. I stop the sharing. Again, I start the sharing. Therefore, at the beginning only I asked whether the PPT you could see or not. Okay, thank you very much. I'm sharing the screen. Yes, now I want feedback. Is it now?
Yes, sir.
Very good, thank you. Okay, systematic procedure for classification of molecules. Their flowchart is there. That flowchart we have to follow. So I restricted my discussion towards the some non-linear molecules, means high order C infinity or D infinity Poisson point groups. Separately we can study. So non-linear molecules, how can we describe that the flow chart that in detail I am what the discussing, and some simple method of attributing the point group that also I am going to describe. Then starts the concept of group theory. That's a mathematical application. What is group? Four conditions are there to be fulfilled. What are those conditions? What is in by subgroup? How to find the subgroup? What are subgroups of various point groups? As like in any college, classes remain FIBC, SIBC up to MSA Part 2 classes may not be possible. Likewise, in our group also, grouping we are doing. No? So our group, let you consider C infinity V is a college, C2V is a point group, it is a college, and in that college different classes remain. And what are those classes, how to identify the classes, how to find the class number, what is the condition, everything that you are going to study in that. And next point is important from understanding, so I had given the more emphasis on that during discussion in the future videos. One operation into other operation, how to multiply one into other and how to produce the result. Because on the basis of that, the concept of class, fulfillment of the condition of groups, subgroup, next point, what is the abelian and non-abelian group that you are going to study. So these 2 points are there. It is our one part of the syllabus. That's a 2.1. Previous was optical activity, dipole moment, and systematic procedure. And now these terms, it is our 2.1. And that I want to cover within 15 days. Means up to 24th of this month, we are going to study this topic perfectly. Concept will be clear. It is my responsibility to provide the study material. It is my planning. Afterwards, the operations are there. Operations means actions, and those actions we can encode, we can represent in terms of matrix. Matrix is a language, it's a programming language. And with the help of that, the programming language, we can represent. Let you consider simple rotation operation. For rotation, we can represent matrix. Even the you consider the fan rotates, is action. Even the photocopy, you can take Xerox machine, that generally we say photocopying machine. Photocopying is action. Photocopying also we can represent in terms of the matrix. It is a programming language. So programming you are not going to study, but how to represent these actions, rotation, reflection, identity, that you are going to study. Improper axis of rotation, that also can be studied, but as per your syllabus, I am not going to discuss that improper axis of rotation. But matrix presentation we are going to study. Matrix actually in 11th and 12th many might have studied. That matrix also we can reduce. And reduction of that matrix is nothing but the change in the representation. So we are getting reducible representation to get smallest irreducible representation. So simple, if I consider number say 9, then 9 number I can divide how? I can split how? 3 into 3 into 3. Sorry, 3 into 3 only. So 3, I can't divide further. If I consider 27, then 3 into 3 into 3 will be there. So 3 is a prime number. So it is not reducible, irreducible. Likewise, in our representation, reducible and irreducible representation task is there. That we are studying in 2.2. Further, one more point is there. The great orthogonality theorem. You will understand its greatness. Only statement of great orthogonality theorem that we are studying. And most important point, up to here, no student enjoys. Okay, simple. Actually, it is a very important one. And from the base, this base, you are going to construct character table. Actually, the you can say the difficult session, not too difficult, you can do that. Starts with construction of character table, C2V, C3V, and D2H. So how to construct that you're going to, and for net examination questions certainly comes there about this character table. So I am going to give the confidence about the construction of the character table. This character table will remain structures. Few numbers remain, few operations remain, few translatory functions remain, few rotatory functions remain, few quadratic functions remain. So what exactly it is a structure of character table that we are going to study? It is our 2.2 syllabus, and that we are covering up to first session in the February. I think it is on the 8th of February. So 30 days, almost 1 month will complete, and within 1 month we are going to complete this 2.1 and 2.2. And majority questions in your university question paper are on this syllabus. Here only you can be able to score 75%. A little portion is there from the next portion. If you complete that, then 75% here only are going to score. Means within 1 month you can come to know how far you are going to apply. Whatever my target is there, at least 75% to score. We are going with previous question papers. When? On the last session. That's the fourth session on 23rd of February. Okay. So after this 8th of February, what we are going to study? Means I am giving the study material to you. We are going to study the SALC, symmetry adapted linear combination for molecular orbitals. Sigma and pi bonding in ABN kind of molecule, may ammonia molecule or methane molecule. Beauty of this molecular symmetry and group theory is, without knowing the electronic configuration, we can predict hybridization. Means in methane, this methane is a tetrahedral molecule. In tetrahedral, two hybridations are possible, sp3 and sd3. So whether sp3 possible or sd3 possible, that's our common sense. But molecular orbital 3, how can describe that? That we are going to study. And I said in the character table, translative functions, rotatory functions will be there. That we are going to understand. Their importance we are going to understand. Very, very interesting point it is. If you could reach up to that, no, then you are the true student. You are the true creative students. You are the true application, practicable student that I can assure you. And the Mulliken's notation, simple thing. Mulliken notation we now also use E.g. the orbital, T2G orbital, A1U. Various names for the orbitals you have given, those are none other than Mulliken's notations. But somewhat in detail we are going to study these Mulliken's notations. Reducible representations we have studied. 27 number I can reduce 3 into 3 into 3. Likewise, if my representations are there, then how can I reduce that? For that reduction formula remains. What is the reduction formula? How to reduce? That we are going to study in this 2.3 portion. And last portion, if I are with the group, subgroup definition we are studying. The relationship we are going to study. Ascent and descent in the symmetry. That we are going to understand. So it is our 2.4 last session that we are going to start after 8th of February. So by 23rd of February, you will prepare this. And on 23rd February, we are going to discuss any queries are there, or if any feedback is there, that we are going to discuss on the 24th of February. It's our syllabus, students. If any doubts are there, I am keeping few time later on. Or modus of operandi, what will be there? Now I am giving guidance. So today I'll give one task to you. You have to go through few videos. Videos are there already. A separate stream is prepared. Separate sessions are given there for MSc Part 1. There in that YouTube, those 70 videos you have to go through. That's the only basic. Actual study, actual videos from Monday I am giving you. Before that, task to you, means within these 2 days, task you go through all 17 videos, study them, understand them, so that basic will be clear to you. With that basic, let us start MSc Part 1 study. So this time up to 24th of January, those 17 videos and further 20 videos almost are coming. By Monday, almost 20 videos are coming, and you will go through those 20 videos. And little few videos also I will add, so that I said no, that's a 2.1 and 2.2 syllabus we can cover. On 24th, let we have discussion. I'll give further guidance and further videos will be given later on. So for the 15 days you will study, that's a 2.3 portion. Then 2.4 portion in the next last session, that's a last 15 days. It's our plan. Okay, so in the today's I want that plan should be very clear to you. Clarity about plan, it's my expectation. After 15 days, 2.1 and 2.2 from the syllabus we are going to cover. After 30 days, additional 2.3 we are going to cover, and you will get confidence because you could able to attempt 75% of questions in the question paper. And after 45 days, full confidence, you will be with the learning skill also, learning approach also, understanding also will be there. It is my expected outcome of the discussion. So what is my expectation from you? And I want respond from you also after this discussion. See students, I want active participation from you. As like one of you has brilliantly said, PPT is not readable or the observable is not presenting. That's your proper feedback. That's active participation. Take part in discussion. Honestly give the feedback. If clear, yes, you say clear. If not clear, directly, freely you can say it is not clear. That is your active participation. Assignments I am giving, videos for MSc Part 1. For basic videos, I am not giving assignments. From Monday, which are the videos I am giving, for the assignment I am giving. In Google Classroom, I'll give assignment. I'll provide the link. And in each video, I am asking question. That question answer that your name will be there. No, what in YouTube that you will chat there, you will comment there. So that video snapshot and your comment both should come in the one snapshot. Only that snapshot you have to upload. That's your assignment. Means you have to answer there in the YouTube. That will be your assignment. And it's a basic thing. Sincerity and the regularity is expectation. Now I am coming to the screen. I want to know your response for this. Students, you might have got what is my expectation. I want that you should be very clear cut, honest, regular, and responsive, free and frank. Is my expectation wrong or yes? I want reply. Am I correct or not? Is my expectation correct or not?
Sir.
Correct, sir.
Yeah, if
Yes, sir,
in
correct.
text box, in text, if you
Yes,
reply,
sir.
it's better because it is coming on record. Complete whatever the text you are giving, no replies you are giving, it is coming on record. At what time, who has given the feedback, everything comes on record, and I will share this all with your teachers.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, Trupti, thank you. But now give the feedback there only in chat box. It's better. Means now 100 students are there. I am a 101th student. Okay, good. I am correct. Yes, thank you very much. But only saying is not important. Practicability is important. See, I had to work a lot to prepare almost 20 videos, and further I will prepare if you are responsive, if you are giving the good response, and it is your duty to respond to it. Giving you success is my responsibility, but doing the work is your responsibility. Good. Again, I come to our PPT. Thank you for your replies. Yeah. Now I ask you the question. Is it symmetric? Now what you do, unmute and you can talk. What do you think? Is it symmetric? Unmute and talk.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Only few replies I am finding. What we decided.
Yes,
Just
sir.
now we have.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Good. Why? It is beautiful.
sir.
Therefore, actually from molecular symmetry, what should we see? We should be qualitative. If it is a symmetric with respect to what? In regard to what? And we should want the answer. Just wait. It got hanged. Okay. Qualitatively, we have to what represent? Means there is a plane of symmetry, whether there is axis of symmetry, improper. That qualitative matter is important for the symmetry. So symmetry means measurement. You say conductometry, potentiometry. Metry means measurement. You are measuring here sin. Sin means some kind of regularity is there. What exactly you are going to measure? In basic videos that I made it very clear. So you are going to learn the measurement of regularity, togetherness, most correctly, togetherness. Whatever the togetherness remains, togetherness is a nature's gift. We also want to be the together. Okay. So what symmetry element we think?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sorry
Sorry.
to interrupt you, but PPT is not visible to me.
Is for others, is it visible?
No, sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Visible.
Yes, sir. Visible.
Yes, sir. Visible.
Yes, sir, visible.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So PPT is visible. Just whoever has said, just see that will be there. Who have given the reply? Is it there now? Visible now? Now see. Now the
Visible,
screen
sir.
of the Google Meet is there, and now I opened the PPT.
No, sir, it's not visible.
Okay, then just to work with that, is the screen is the yes? Anybody knows the solution?
Sir, he pins the screen.
Pin. Okay, during presentation you might have pinned there, maybe that because of that. Just check that. Unpin yourself. Yeah. Okay, then that
Okay,
may be
sir.
the
Okay,
solution.
now it is visible. Okay.
Very
you,
good,
sir.
very good, Jabin. Very good, Jabin. And whoever have helped Jabin or to me also, because I was not knowing. Technically, little bit I am poor. Thank you. I learned also from that. See, it's a learning is a life. Excellent. And I want to learn to
Okay, sir,
learn.
thank you. Okay.
Okay. See, I want to know from you definition of element of symmetry. What do you think element of symmetry means? You can unmute and talk. Chatting becomes so difficult. You just anybody can open up the topic. Element of symmetry means what? Yes, anybody might have by heart a definition. Anybody knows? Yes, Navneet. Yeah, what's the definition of element of symmetry? Okay.
It is a
If,
tool for
yes, Mahadev.
doing the operations. It is a
Yeah.
tool.
Mahadev is saying it is a tool, as like in compass box. There remains a compass or scale or protractor. These are tools to obtain a various art or various geometry. So likewise, it is a tool. In few books, what is given there? It is a geometrical entity like line, plane, point, about which we can perform the various operations like rotation, reflection, inversion. That is a symmetry element. That's a definition of symmetry element. Yes. Have you heard this definition?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that now my question is identity symmetry element? Is identity symmetry element?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Gaurav, yes. Other students, see, 100 students are here. You can chat also there and reply. Is identity symmetry element?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If yes, then what is the tool? What is the tool for identity? Are you getting this question? So to answer these questions, you should go through the basic videos. For that, especially the
Point.
videos. Yes,
Point.
Gaurav.
Point.
Yes, Gaurav.
Point.
I could. A point. Point. No. Identity is not a point. It is not a point. Is it clear, Gaurav? Identity means exactly what? So what I'm saying, you should go through the basic study. I had prepared videos for that. 17 videos are prepared for that. Why you should go through that? That objective I am going to make the clear. So what exactly identity means, understanding about that. Although also, we say improper axis of rotation. Proper axis of rotation, okay, say improper. Why improper? Okay, improper axis of rotation is two operations remains. Which two operations remains in improper axis of rotation? when we perform action? Yes, can anybody answer? Improper axis of rotation that we represent Sn encompasses two different operations. Which are those?
Cross
Reflection.
Right. What is
rotation
it?
reflection.
Yeah, Samruddhi and Shirgaonkar, Parnika, that they have answered. Yes. First rotation and then reflection. So my question is, rotation is there, therefore axis will be there, I understand. So reflection is there, so plane should be there. So axis and plane, these two things are there in that actions. Then why are we saying it is improper axis? Why not improper plane? Is it not injustice to the plane? It's a basic thing. If you know correctly improper, that's a SN, that's a improper axis of rotation, then only you could able to answer. Can anybody answer now? It is very difficult, I understand. But yeah, so therefore you have to go through those videos. Let you know exactly what that element, improper axis of rotation. Element is a tool, as like Mahadev said now. And operation is action. So why identity? Why SN? What exactly tool? About rotation, reflection, concept remains what the somewhat clear. Okay. Now again I am coming to the PPT. Second reason. We say rotation clockwise and anti-clockwise. Answer for my question. Which rotation is positive? Clockwise rotation is positive or anti-clockwise rotation is positive?
Clockwise.
Yeah, Samruddhi is saying clockwise. Other answer? Students, I want feedback from you. Immediate response. You assured me. And I said I am not wrong by expecting the feedback from you.
Sir, clockwise.
Which angle is positive? Okay, clockwise. All are saying clockwise. Yes, anybody says anti-clockwise?
No, sir, clockwise.
Yes. Here is a mistake, student.
Positive.
Anti-clockwise measure.
Sir,
Yes,
there is no
positive.
clockwise anti.
Yeah, I'm coming. But somewhere, Mahadev is saying there's a no clockwise, anti-clockwise. But somewhere for reference for doing things. For example, if I consider this rotation, see, I'm rotating the finger from your point of view. What is the direction of rotation? It is clockwise. At least from your point of view, it is there, no? Clockwise, anti-clockwise. From my point of view, it is anti-clockwise. Our four quadrants are there. X-axis, that's a 0 angle we can consider. 90 degree, that is the y-axis. 0 to 90 degrees is first quadrant. 90 degree to 180 degree, that's the second quadrant. And 180 degree to 270 degree, that's our third quadrant. 270 degree to again 360 to 0 degree, that's the fourth quadrant. How we are going? From 0, from your point of view, I am giving explanation from your point of view. 0 to 90 to 180. Now answer for my question, whatever the direction of motion is there, that is clockwise or anti-clockwise? 0, 90, 180, 270, 360.
Anti-clockwise.
Right, therefore anti-clockwise measurement is positive. It is mistakenly for electron spin we are seeing. Clockwise spin is positive, anti-clockwise negative. It is proper mathematical application we are doing. So what exactly clockwise rotation or anti-clockwise rotation? And as Mahadev said perfectly, how can we say that? How can we measure that? Then while measuring, we consider angles at 360 degree, I said. But if you go to the mathematical derivations or the mathematical applications, you will find measurement up to pi. 0, pi by 2 pi. And 3 pi by 2. And then we are saying 2 pi. We would have given some notation, no, for 360 degree, but we are not doing. We are measuring up to here. Because let you take any angle up to the measurement of pi is more than sufficient. Means if angle is 120 degree, means up to within pi it is there. Within 180 degree it is there. But if angle is more than, means from this point of view, angle is more than 180 degree. But if intrusion is observed, this angle less than 180 degree. So pi is sufficient. So notation of pi, use of that pi symbol in mathematics, what we do? What is its importance? Why are we not considering 360? Or general understanding from general chemistry point of view, but in detail we have to study, no? So basic concept of clockwise, anti-clockwise, in true sense, how the angles are measured. Up to pi degree only we have the scale. as like protractor remains now 180 degree, that much only scale is there. So pole and antipole measurement, but if I consider the axis pointing towards you, if I consider, and if I have to find any rotation from my point of view, okay, now it is in anti-clockwise direction. I don't want to change. Measurement will be in anti-clockwise direction because I want to measure positive angle. Then after 180 degree, what I will do? I will change position. I will come to your side. And the same continuation of rotation I can measure. Only change in position is allowed. That is somewhat convention should be there. No? If I have to complete the circle, if I have to complete the cycle, then and I have only up to the measurement of pi, but I don't want to change my angle of rotation. That's the direction of rotation. I want to measure the positive angle only. Then what I will do? From one side measurement, then that's a pole measurement. Antipole measurement, from your side I will measure. So what that exactly is pole and antipole measurement means is a basic funda. You may be neglecting about, you may neglect this concept, but it's a very important concept that you will learn by going through those videos. Yes, now just wait, somebody wanted to enter, I think. Further, coinciding axis, that is the one point. But coinciding axis exactly means what? For example, if I consider C4 axis, C4 means C41 rotation by 90 degree, little bit fastly I'm going, rotation by 90 degree. C42 rotation by 180 degree, then one may be with the question, if rotation of 180 degree we are considering, then it can be C2. Students, are you following what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Manish has replied. What about
Yes,
others?
sir.
Samruddhi replied. Others?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rotation
sir.
by 90 degrees C41. C42 means rotation by 180 degrees. So C42 can be the C2. So within C4, that C2 axis also remains. That's our coinciding axis. Up to TY level, we have not paid more attention. So what is that coinciding axis? How to represent that? That we need to study. For that, we should go through the basic videos. Only TY basic completed. In syllabus, it was there. So we know the basic, not likewise. You need to know the additional things. Vertical and diagonal planes, you might have heard these names, but exact applications you might be not knowing. Exact examples you might be not knowing. So with thorough example, this concept is made clear in the videos. Actually, diagonal plane is one kind of vertical plane, but we specially represent that. So what is subsidiary axis? C2, C2 dash, labeling of the axis, that you need to want to learn. For that, those basic videos are necessary. You need to go through those videos. Next point, C1 operation. Can anybody answer C1 operation means what? C1 operation means rotation by how much degree? Can anyone answer? C1 operation means rotation by how much degree?
360.
360 degree. Okay. Any other answer, please? Mahadev said 360 degree. What is other answers? Any other answer? C1. See, C2 means 1 degree, C3 means 120 degree, C4 means 90 degree. Likewise, C1 means 360 degree, as Mahadev said now, 360 degree rotation. But C1 as an operation, we don't represent. We represent it as identity, means do nothing likewise. So C1 as such in operation doesn't exist. In real point of view, we can, but while our rule point of view, while representation, always we give priority to basic trivial operation, that is identity. After identity, other things. Repetition is not allowed in the group theory. Therefore, for operation, we don't represent the C1, we represent the identity. So what exactly that concept or funda is? Priority representation. Other example, S2. S2 operation means center of inversion. Then one will say, will it be okay if I represent S2 if I means center of inversion remain present? Answer is no. If center of inversion remain present, you represent center of inversion. Horizontal plane, if remain present, we can represent by the improper axis of rotation, but you have to represent horizontal plane separately. So few rules are there for representation of symmetry operations, the sequence. What exactly rules are there? All those things are applicable up to TY basis syllabus. And those who have not studied, for them also it is applicable. Let them know, because of that they will study those things. Therefore, you should go through those basic videos. High order point groups means C infinity V, D infinity H means exactly what? By the way, that's a H is equal to infinity. That's the order that we say. How to represent that variation? Mathematical representations are there for that. Theta variation are considering. A plane also we are varying by means of angle. Proper mathematical representation you are going to study that. Up to TY level, even my students also are here. Those who have studied the molecular symmetry at TY level. For them also I have not told them because at that time it was not necessary. Whatever was necessary that was informed. But now it is a new correctness. In future you are going to become a teacher. You are going to be a scholar. You want to apply this concept, you should know the perfect things. So those in detail, the explanation about that high order point group is given there in those. And for that, you need to study those basic videos. Special point groups, tetrahedral and octahedral, such point groups are there. More weightage is not given, but idea will be partly clear. If not, we will discuss it later on. Okay. Now, whatever I said now, these are the, seems to be okay, we have studied. Anybody can say, we know identity, but concept may not be not clear. We know improper extrapolation, concept needs to study. Diagonal plane, vertical plane, concepts needs to improve. High order point group, concept need to improve. So what are the points I said? Those concepts you need to improve, and for that you need to study. For that study material I am providing. And what is that the study material? See here. In YouTube channel, the name of the channel, Ajit Kanchide Bhartiya, it's my name. The playlist, separate playlist for your class is prepared. 17 videos are at this moment in that playlist. It is your responsibility to study them within 2 days, preferably. Later also you can study, but within 2 days you have to study. You answer or do not answer is your choice. But whatever today I said, few questions I raised, if you want to know their answers, if you want to make the basics clear, then you should go through those 17 videos so that basics will be clear. Here are the few students, they have not studied molecular symmetry at their graduation level. For them also it will help, so that all you will come at the proper level. Okay, I am asking the question to you. Students, whatever I am saying, are you following the YouTube videos? Whatever I say, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And
sir.
whatever this
Sir.
recording is
Yes,
there,
sir.
that also I'm going to share in
Yes,
our
sir.
classroom. Our
Yes,
classroom
Yes,
will
sir.
be full of study material.
Yes,
Syllabus also I will share in the classroom. Very good, very good. Yes, now after a long break, I'm finding the good responses. Very good, very good. So all 17 videos are there. So whatever I said, if anybody is saying no, at that time I kept that topic for option, I had not studied, I studied but not clear, teachers were not there.
Yes,
Forget
sir.
about giving reasons. Now no need to give reason. Only the thing you have to work. For these references, what I did and what I recommend, the KV Reddy's book is there. I show you that book. Yes, can you see the book?
No, sir.
In
No,
that
sir.
No, sir. Yes, sir.
you can see. Okay.
Yes,
I,
sir.
I show you the book again separately. That KV Reddy's book is a very good one. Therefore, I highlighted first. F.A. Cotton, I read that. I did not get the copy this time, but I read this book. I studied that book. The R.L. Carter, that book also is there. It is with me. It is also excellent book. K. Bhattacharya, that book I referred, but now it is not available with me. K.V. Raman book I referred, but it is not with me. Bansal book, it is there with me. And point group table, that's a Simon, best 717 pages are there. But mathematical solid applications, whatever the point groups are there in detail, they are what the discuss mathematical application there. That's from the Oxford University, Oxford and the Vienna University. Professor Simon and Professor Harjik, that's a Peter Harjik. Whatever the dark or that mainly are important, means that I suggest you, you can go to the other references also, and combining all, I prepared the study material and the ready-made study material you are going to get. But if anybody has more interest to learn that, you are free to learn, and I want that you to learn, because my ultimate objective is that you should learn to learn. Yeah. I'll show those books. I'm coming. I stop the presentation so that what happens, the book will be the very clear cut to know. See the first book that I said, Veera Reddy's, KV Reddy's book. Yes, is it readable? Actually, it is not clearly readable because background is there, no? Because of the background, the problems are there. Okay, I hope you are not getting this point clearly. Clearly, you are not getting. This is
No,
a
sir,
KV
not
Reddy's.
getting.
Clearly, you are
Not
not
getting, sir.
No, sir. Not
No,
getting,
sir.
sir.
because it is
Not getting, sir.
yeah. Now I think just see now you will get partly you will get.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, clear. This is a Veera Reddy's book. Okay. Second is a Carter book. Is it clear? A third one, Bansal book, Group 3 and Bansal book. Other books are there. Finar is there. Even different Tuli Madan and Malik. Their books. They also given the good explanation. Gurdeep Raj book is there. I also have the others. Asim K Das. His also book is there. It is a good book. Asim K Das. We can go through that. So these are the good books through which we can understand. I hope partly at least you come to know the books. And PDF file is there. I will share in our classroom. You can go through that the PDF file about the mathematical application. There's Oxford University teachers and Vienna University teachers. They have prepared that the PDF file. Yes, students. Now last about 10 minutes are left. Whatever I want to tell, the plan, everything I made clear. About that, if you have doubt, any question, anything you like to share, please be free to talk. Before that, whatever I communicated, was it clearly readable? Was it clearly audible? Was it clear to you? Is it clear whatever I said?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
It is clearly audible and clearly visible.
Good. You are very brilliant students. Still few are there. They are okay. They are chat box also good one. This chat box I tell to you, chat box is a record. This also will come for record, but video recording, chat box at a glance we come to know whether the student remains. Chances are there no student at the beginning will remain, and nearby the end student is absent. Only mobile is there. So it is a surety, and in my lecture always questions will be there, and you have to answer yes sir, no sir, whatever the answers are there. What that you do? Your reply says you are alive. Alive means alive for lecture. Yes, and that will come for the record. Yes, good. Yes, now the platform I keep open for you. I told you the clear cut my objectives, my vision. PDF file also the things are made clear, but in PDF file about the outcome, no, some mistakes are there. Means outcome of one come to the other, the bands prepared wrongly. Content is there properly, bands are prepared wrongly. Only 2.4 coverage is not mentioned there, but now I did that, I covered that. And whatever this lecture is going on, it is recorded. Even you also can go through this lecture again, whatever you have answered. Now, for example, Mahadev was answering. What answer is given? That answer is there in the record. You also can go through the record and this recording will be there. Yes. Now platform is open for you. If you have any doubt, any question, feel free to ask. Important point is assignment. Assignment will start from Monday. At once, which of the 20 videos are there about, you will get assignment for them. And you have to apply up to what? Up to 24th of January, you have time to complete the assignment. Yes, any doubt?
Sir, where would we upload
Yes,
assignment?
good question. For assignment uploading, okay, just wait, let me see. I think screen, I share the screen to answer the question of the Gaurav. I share the screen now first. Yes. Could you able to see it is our classroom? Could you able to see the page of classroom?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
There
sir.
what I will do, classwork. I'll give classwork. So I'll create one file. Their assignment I will prepare. Say assignment. So there I will write title, page feedback. feedback of first session. Here points also I could give. Say the 10 points I given. These points are what changeable. And this instruction is optional. I'll give the instructions also. First session, dated. Just could you able to see that properly? Whatever I'm typing, that could you able to see that?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. What is happening? I'm sharing the complete screen. Okay, let me see again. Then which screen you were seeing? You were seeing the screen of classroom. Just wait. I start the presentation again. What happened? Tukaram is presenting. Tukaram, please stop presenting. Because of your presentation, my presentation was not visible. Yes, thank you, Tukaram. Okay, it happens. I understand. Technical things are there. You have to learn slowly. Okay. Now, could you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Last one?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
No, sir.
See here. Stream.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Ajit Kanchide posted new assignment.
Yes,
It's
sir.
assignment for you. It's a feedback assignment. So what you will do, you will click there and you will upload whatever the photo image is there. No, you can upload. You can write on one page and you can upload their feedback. It is your, let us start from today, upload. So that practice will be there. So here you have to upload. So whoever students are there, if they upload, no, I'll come to know who have turned in, who have given the answer for that assignment, who have not given. Everything becomes clear. And what are the marks are there, those marks also can be what the given. So likewise, assignment page remains. I come to know who have registered, who have given the answers for that assignment. So one assignment is prepared, only you have to upload that. Yes, are you following what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Had I answered the question? Okay, any other question? You have to upload. Are you ready to upload the assignment or not? Do you want to work or not? I want to know first.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
I want in comment.
Yes, sir.
Everybody should give the comment in the comment box, so that let your teacher also know you have committed me. You have given promise that you will complete assignments. So one assignment as a trial I had given. Complete that assignment also. Up to Monday you can complete that. And Monday you will get further 20 videos. Almost 20 videos. And assignments also will be there. One by one you have to. Before that, whatever the 17 videos are there in the stream, in that channel, MSc Part 1 stream, you have to go through them. It is expectation. So question asked that I answered, and you also have sincerely said that you are going to answer the assignments. Very good. Excellent. Keep that enthu level. You have to keep it up. Yes. Any other question? Yes, be free to ask. Unmute and talk or put the question in the chat box. Okay, two reasons may be there. Either you are not understood anything, or you are confused, or concepts are clear. Now no question. Only you want to do work. Action speaks louder than the words. Okay, I want action from you. And before that, I am doing action. Before that, I am working hard. Before that, I am preparing study material for you. After all, you have to go through that. And feedback about that also you can give. Yes, Gaurav, it's good. See, now what Gaurav did, no, is right. He said no question. No question is a feedback. No question is a response. If you keep calm and quiet, what should I understand? What should I conclude? So proper feedback is what the important one. Yes. So shortly I say, I sum up the today's session. because of my friends, my colleagues, my HOD, principal, we could able to conduct this Google Classroom. My seniors are there, my mentors are there, they are cheering me, they supports me. Because of that, I could present this lecture to you. Introduction section, syllabus I made clever. I covered 4 bits are there, 2.1 and 2.2 were covering 15 days, 2.3 were covering within 30 days, and 2.4 up to 45 days. That's our rough planning. And my objectives I made clear. And my only simple expectation: be sincere, be regular, be attentive, be responsive. Be free, frankly give the responses. Yes. Now I'd
Sir?
like you are giving the feedback. Yes, Neelam.
Sir, what will be the timing every day for the live session?
That now I'm concluding. A very good question. I'm concluding. I'm coming to that point. It is the last point of my presentation. Okay. See, then what is my expectation I told to you? And why should you study these basic videos? Don't be with the thing that, okay, I have studied TYBC, I know things, I'm brilliant students, I'm a topper, I scored 90 marks, 99 marks, 100 marks. Don't go on those. Go through those videos and then let me know whether were you knowing those things or not, whether were you knowing those facts or not. So basics are necessary. Go through the basics. So that's up to Monday or what complete. Later on also you can go through that. And from Monday, I'm giving you the next videos of MSc Part 1. And assignments also will be there. One assignment already I have posted. Answer that assignment now. Now I come to the question of Neelam. Next lecture timing. Students, I want to know from you, is this timing 10 to 11 is convenient, or you want morning, or you want evening?
This time is convenient, sir. 10 to 11.
Arbaz saying convenient. Okay.
Sir, we have lectures during this time.
Therefore, I am asking. So, what is suitable timing?
Sir, on Sunday.
Sorry.
On Sunday,
Mahadev.
it will be okay.
Sir, I have lecture in the morning, sir.
Okay, morning lecture at what? Up to what time lecture Arbaz are there?
Up to 9 a.m., sir. From 7 a.m.
From
to 9 a.m.
Okay, 9. And who said Sabrine is saying something? Sabrine, yes. Morning. Okay, so morning lectures are there. Is there anywhere lecture the evening time? In lectures are there evening time? No, see, I see what is about majority I should do. This time is convenient. Okay, I see convenience of all I should see. No, if lectures are there, then harm should not be there. Therefore, I am saying. Just I am asking to you. Yes, Mahadev.
Sir, on Sunday, it will be okay, sir. On Sunday.
Sunday. No, see, I decided planning. No, that's all. Dates are fixed there. 9, 24th. That 15-day duration is there. No, with planning I did that dates. So only timing. Only one day you do the adjustment. No, suppose Arbaz has a lecture in the morning time. You have to come at the evening time also. If Neelam has a lecture in the afternoon session or this session, then she has to come in the evening session. So evening 5 to 6. Any problem to anybody?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now answer in the chat box. Evening 5 to 6. Shall we finalize that? Evening 5 to 6. Shall we finalize?
No problem, sir.
Okay. What no? Aniket, what you are saying? No means? Okay. Now you are answering. No problem. Okay. So students, make convenience. Adjust at least. Don't say that morning also lecture, then evening also lecture. Only 1 hour I am asking. And actually your studies throughout those 15 days. You have to work. Your work will speak. Neelam, had I answered your question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So students, shall we conclude today's session? No, Sunday not there. Dates are fixed in our timetable, in a PDF file. Did you get the PDF file? In Google Classroom also I had given PDF file. In that PDF file, I had given planning 9th, 24th of January, 8th of February, and 23rd of February. These 4 sessions will be the live sessions. And if necessary, further. Before that, YouTube videos, those sessions will be there. That at your leisure time, you can go through it. Don't worry about that. Sunday will not be there, Shraddha. Don't worry. So we decided 5 to 6, but when? Now next lecture will be after 15 days on 24th of January. Link will be provided in advance. You are in the classroom, so you will get the information. I'd like today I prepare the link, that because what happens at time change, the link changes. So within 5 minutes, 10 minutes advance, I'll provide the link to you. You have to join immediately. Okay. So I think it is better that we should want to conclude with the urge, with the request to complete today's assignment. It is given a feedback. Just give feedback. Write on the paper, take snapshot, and upload there. That will be your feedback. Okay. With this, I declare here today's session is over, and I am very interested to see you after 15 days with study, with preparation of 2.1 and 2.2 study materials coming on Monday. Yes, sir. Just wait, Sunali. What is the question, sir? Is there a daily lecture on that time? No, on 24th only. Only 4 lectures are on 24th after 15 days, 5 to 6. Sunali Bhagat, clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Daily
Clear.
lectures are not there. Only 4 sessions I am completing in 45 days.
Okay, sir. I
Don't-
clear.
That much adjustment you should do. Okay then. Yes, okay, Ramdas. Thank you, students. Nice to meet you all. And be enthusiastic, be
Sir?
active, work. Yes, yes, yes.
Sir,
Who is
means
asking
every
question?
day there won't be lecture every day.
No,
Only
videos
4
I'm giving.
days.
Streamline videos. See, now 57 videos are there. Further 37 videos you should see up to what? Up to 24th. Lot of task is there. You do that task and let me know later on. Nilam, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, daily lectures are not there. Live sessions are there. You have to work, and on 24th, let me know. On 24th, idea will be more clear. Okay, so on 24th, see you at 5 o'clock. 10 minutes before, I'll give the link. Okay, then. Thank you very much. Quit. Lecture is over now. Quit yourself. I'm stopping the recording now. Lecture over.